Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing my new Kalorik Smart Fryer Oven. The reason why I bought this air fryer kasi marami siyang features. It's a all-in-one smart fryer and oven. Pwede kang mag-bake, grill, toast, and fry up to 30% faster. And madaling gamitin kasi may 13 smart cooking presets siya. And higit sa lahat, healthy kasi hindi na kailangan gumamit ng mantika. Okay, simulan na natin buksan ang ating Kalorik Smart Fryer Oven. Excited na akong gamitin ang air fryer oven. Pasensya na medyo mahirap lang magbukas kasi at the same time ako nagvi-video, wala akong assistant. Alam niyo bang nabili ko ito sa Walmart sa halagang $139 only? And kung titingnan mo sa Amazon, umaabot siya ng $200. Pwede niyo pong i-follow ang Kalorik product sa Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Love Hazel, and paki-like na rin po ng video na ito. Salamat! Ang rotating skewer rack ay pwede mong gamitin kung gusto mong maglechon manok, barbecue, and kebab. Tama ba yun, kebab? Ito po yung tinatawag na rotating mesh basket. Pwede ka diyang magluto ng popcorn or french fries. Actually, tatlo po yung kasamang baking tray. So, pwede kang magluto ng tatlong layers at the same time. Hanggang dito na lang po, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Love Hazel. Salamat po!